How to knit SSPK. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you this neat left-leaning decrease. SSPK, slip, slip, purl, knit, is a simple variation of the classic SSK, but it creates a more balanced decrease line. Let's show you how to knit SSPK. Start by slipping the first stitch on the left needle knitwise, and then slip the next stitch purlwise, and then slip these two stitches back to the left needle and keep the right needle inserted, and then knit these two stitches together through the back loop. And there is your SSPK. Let's do it one more time. Slip the first stitch knitwise, slip the next stitch purlwise, and then knit these two stitches together through the back loop. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. You can also just slip the first stitch knitwise and then transfer it back immediately and then knit them together through the back loop. It will result in the exact same stitch. And as you can see, this stitch creates a really nice left-leaning decrease line that most people will say looks neater than SSK. Anyway, that's how to knit SSPK. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.